Namaste everyone. Today we will talk about how meditation has got tangible and therapeutic benefits. Meditation is a very interesting and an integral part of yoga. As you know, yoga today has got so many therapeutic benefits. Meditation by itself promotes relaxation, gives you a calm and quieter mind. The whole purpose of meditation is to control the mind so that it doesn't go awry in thinking, and today doesn't have a lot of stress. At the institute we have learned that anything that happens outside of us, whether it is a external or an internal stimuli, immediately our mind wanders away. It is about how we keep it under check in a proper, quiet, calm manner is what yoga techniques are all about. So meditation is known across the world to promote calmness, quietness, and clarity of thought. One thing that one has to understand is regular practice of meditation. Sitting down quietly, whether it is observing the breath, observing a particular candle gazing as we do it at the Yoga Institute, or any technique of meditation, it will relax and calm the mind down. Now, on the contrary, if your mind is not calm, what happens is, we've learned in yoga, any stress that happens in the mind, it immediately affects our breath. Our breath goes for a toss and it is very shallow and erratic, because of which it affects our inhalation and exhalation. Not to mention how difference of oxygenation and release of carbon dioxide gets affected. And it affects entire systems, from digestive system to neurological system, even the blood pressure. Immediately our blood pressure shoots up and it has an adverse effect on our entire body. On the contrary, if you do meditation regularly, what it does, it brings your breath in harmony. Inhalation and exhalation becomes quieter. That calms our mind down. That gives enough oxygen to our mind as well. That calms our mind down and our blood pressure stays in check. Our heart rate becomes normal because of there is no anxiety and stress. So cortisol, which is a fear or a stress hormone, it releases less in the body. It is also controlled. Regular practice of meditative techniques has got a lot of therapeutic benefits. So it is very, very imperative that not just the asanas and the pranayamas, but meditative techniques also need to be practiced. Now, meditation, as we know, has got various practices. Even pranayams at the Yoga Institute, equal breathing, just sitting straight in a straight back and you are keeping your spine erect. Even if you just observe your breath and breathe equal inhalation and equal exhalation, like inhalation equal count 1 2 3, exhalation equal count 1 2 3. Even if one does this regularly, you will realize that your blood cortisol level comes down, your heart rate becomes normal, your stress becomes less, your anxiety becomes less, and your blood pressure falls into the normal pattern. It is the anxiety and the stress that gets us agitated, anxious, and then it affects our blood pressure. So going forward, if we understand the therapeutic benefits of meditation, from the asanas to the pranayamas, if we come to meditative techniques, all of yoga is to become meditative. That is the purpose of Ashtanga yoga, that is to control the mind. But to control the mind, you have to control your senses, your energies through your prana and your body. So slowly and gradually, if you learn the yoga techniques, you move forward. There are certain techniques, there are certain frequencies that are made to calm you down. You can do that through certain mantra chanting. You can do that through concentrating, focusing on a candle or the rising sun or the moon. You can do that by withdrawing your senses in, by doing yoni mudra. These are few techniques which are there. Or just listening to a quiet, gentle sound objectively can also calm you down. So as far as meditation is concerned, there are a lot of therapeutic benefits. Just sitting quietly in one place and observing the breath can do the trick. As we say, the most basic form of meditation is prayer. As we go to a particular place, sit down quietly. It could be any place of your faith. It develops compassion, friendliness, empathy, patience, This all helps us calm our mind and body down. So meditation should be practiced regularly for not just spiritual but therapeutic and practical benefits as well. Thank you.